Let's now look at average pool 2D in TensorFlow. And for that, we have created this particular matrix. Although this is we are going to use looking at the average pool 2D, the tensor that we are going to create is going to have 4 dimensions to it, because the first dimension is the batch size, and then the last dimension is the number of channels that we need to add. In middle, we'll have the height and width. So we have 3 rows and 4 columns, and that's exactly the shape. I've already run this code, and you can see that this is 1 by 3 by 4 by 1. So that's the input shape. And then for the kernel size, you could try a kernel size of again 2 by 2. So we do have the batch, one here for the batch, and then one right here for the channels. And the code for performing the implementation is the same as we have been seeing previously. The only change is that we introduce this 2D after the average underscore pool. Rest of it stays the same. And based on the kernel size, we have changed the strides. So these are 4 integer values, 1, 1, 1. And when we run this, we get an output that we can see here. So the output shape is 1 by 2 by 3 by 1. And if we were to calculate the average values, it's the same as what we have seen in the average underscore pool. So these first numbers, so 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 divided by 4, that will give us the very first number, 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 and divided by 4. So this gives us the value of 1.5, and that's what we have right here. Then we could try and calculate another value. So if we were to change this to, let's say, 3 by 3, if we increase the kernel size to 3 by 3, then what we are looking at is the average of 3 by 3 matrix. So all of these. And so let's try and do that. So we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 divided by, this time we have a total of 9 values. And so when we run this, we get an output of 2, and so that's the 2 right here. So this is how we can implement average pool 2D in TensorFlow, and you can get the similar results using just the average pool. It should work fine, but this is sort of dedicated for 2D. And that was it for this video. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please do let me know. I hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you.